Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about profit and loss. This topic is from D3 book, exercise 5.A, and this one is for grade 8. So first we need to understand the formula which we are going to use in this exercise. First one is profit. So what is basically profit? Profit is the difference between selling price and cost price. When selling price is higher than the cost price, or when we subtract cost price from selling price, we will get profit. And loss is when cost price is higher than selling price. If somebody buys things on higher price and sells it on lower price, so in that case there will be loss in the business, right? So in loss, cost price is higher than the selling price, and it's cost price minus selling price, which is loss. And if we want to find the profit percentage, then we need to divide cost price by profit, multiply 100, right? So profit divided by cost price multiply 100 is profit, and loss is equal to loss divided by cost price multiply 100. Okay, so this is question number 1, exercise 5A. A table is given in which there are 4 things: cost price, selling price, profit or loss, and then percentage of profit and loss. So some things are given and the rest of the thing we are going to find. For example, in part A, cost price is 40 and selling price is 45. So we need to find profit or loss and then percentage of profit or loss. So let's write the data first. So this is question number 1, part number A, in which cost price is 40. Cost price is $40 and selling price is $45. So in this case a profit has been made excuse me, because selling price is more than the cost price. So we need to find profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So it's $45 minus $40, which is equal to $5. Okay, so that is profit. Now we need to find profit percentage. Okay, percentage profit is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply 100. Okay, so we have profit of $5 and cost price is $40. So it will be 5 divided by 40 multiplied by 100, right? So the result will be profit percentage. So we can cancel 0 with 0, and then 5 multiplied 10 divided by 4 divided by 2, so we'll get 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 2, and that is equal to 12.5%, right? So the profit made in this transaction is 12.5%. Okay, so that is profit percentage. Similarly, in next question, it's the same one. So I'm leaving this question because you will have to repeat the same process. Only values are changed, the rest of the things are same. So we'll go to part C. In part number C, cost price is given as $88,000 and profit percentage is 4%. Profit percentage is equal to 4%. Okay, so we are going to use the formula of profit percentage, which is this one. So we know that percentage profit is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply 100. Okay, so in this case we have profit percentage is 4. Okay, and we have profit is unknown over here because we are going to find profit, and cost price is 88,000 times 100. Okay, so you can see now that 100 is in numerator and 88,000 is in denominator, so we can cancel these 2 zeros from numerator and denominator. So it will be 2 zeros cancel with these 2 zeros, and now we can shift this 880 over here. So it will be 4 times 880, and that is equal to profit. Okay, so if we multiply this, we will get profit is equal to 4 zeros are 0, 4 8s are 32, 3 carried, 4 8s are 32 and 3 35. So a profit of 3,520 has been made. So we can write over here that profit is 3,520. Okay, similarly we can get the selling price. So selling price will be, so we have formula profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, so we have profit and cost price, so we can shift this cost price on the other side, so it will be profit, this minus will become plus, plus cost price is equal to profit. Sorry, it's selling price, because we shifted this cost price on the other side, so it will be profit plus cost price is equal to selling price. So selling price is equal to, we will add cost price and profit. So profit is 3,520 and cost price is 88,000. So it will be 91,520 dollars. So that is the, it's obvious, because when the cost price is 88,000 and profit is 3,520, so just add these two quantities, you will get the selling price, which includes cost price and profit. Okay, now we are going to solve part D of question number 1, and in this part cost price is 5,680 and loss is 22.5%. okay, and we are going to find selling price and loss, because percentage of loss is given, so obviously we will find loss. Okay, so we need to use the formula of loss percentage, right? So this formula we are going to use. We know that loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price multiply 100. okay, so we have loss percentage, so we will replace this value with loss percentage, so don't put value over here, otherwise the question will not be correct. So it will be 22.5%, and loss we are going to find and divide by the cost price is 5,680 into 100. okay, so cancel 1 0 with 0 and shift this 10 and 560 on the other side, so it will be 22.5 and this 10 will come in denominator and this number will be in numerator, so it will be 568 into 22.5 divided by 10, and that is loss, right? So let's use calculator. Okay, so using calculator we found that loss is equal to, if you calculate all these numbers, we will get $1278. So that is loss, right? Okay, now we can find the selling price. So we have loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and if we shift the selling price on the other side, so it will be it will become plus, and we will shift this loss on this side, so it will be cost price minus loss. So cost price is 5,680 and loss is 1278, and if we subtract that, it will be 2 0. okay, and 6 minus 2 is 4 and 4, so $4,402. So that is our selling price, right? So now in next part, let me rub this part first. In part E, Selling price is given as $28.14 and profit percentage is this one. So we are going to find cost price, right? So using the profit percentage formula, so we are going to use this formula, profit percentage. So we have profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply 100. Okay, but we have only selling price, and we can replace this profit with selling price minus cost price. So replacing profit with the selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiply by 100. So that is profit percentage, right? So we just use these two formulas. Profit, I replace profit with selling price minus cost price, and before that I used profit percentage formula, which is profit by cost price multiply 100. Okay, so putting value over here, so profit is 17.25%, and we don't need to put that percentage over here because we already putting this 100, so we don't need to use this over here. Okay, so profit is selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 28.14 and cost price is unknown, and this cost price is also unknown, and this is 100. Okay, so either we have to multiply this 100 with these two numbers, or we can shift this cost price over here. So it will be 17.25 multiplied by cost price, and we can do that, we can shift this 100 over here. Either we have to multiply this 100 with these two terms, because this is a multiplication, it will be multiplied with both the terms, or we can shift this 100 over here on this side. Okay, so it will be divided by 100, or you can draw the full line, it doesn't matter because it's already multiplication, so you don't have to care about both the numbers. So it will be 28.14 minus cost price. So divide by this, so we will get 0.1725 cost price, and is equal to 28.14 minus cost price. So shift this cost price on this side, so it will be 0.125 cost price plus this minus will become plus cost price is equal to 28.14. Add these two. This is 0.1725 cost price. So this is one cost price, right? So 1 plus this number, so it will be 1.1725 cost price is equal to 28.14. Okay, so shift this on the other, shift this on this side, so it will be cost price is equal to 28.14 divided by 1.1725, right? So the result will be our cost price. And there is another method as well, I think, which is little shorter than this one, and that is selling price is this one. So if we suppose that cost price is X and 1.1725, when if we add this number either with 100 and taking percentage or with 1, right? So we will get this number. So it's up to you. If you are comfortable with this method, you can use this one, or if you just use another method which is a little shorter, so it's up to you. Okay, the main thing is understanding, so you have to use that method which you can understand. Okay, so let's divide this number. So we will get 28.14 divided by 1.175 and 1725, sorry, 1725, that is equal to 24. So the cost price is $24. Okay, and what else we have to find over here? So we found cost price, and now we can find the profit as well. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and selling price is 28.14 and cost price is 24, so it will be 4.14. So $4.14, right? So that is our result. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment. Okay, thank you.